Keep home closer, meet Astro, the household robot for home monitoring. With Alexa. Introducing Intelligent Motion, Amazon Astro uses advanced navigation technology to find its way around your home and go where you need it. When you're not using Astro, it will hang out close by at the ready. Stay connected from anywhere, remotely send Astro to check on specific rooms, people, or things. Plus, get alerts if Astro detects an unrecognized person or certain sounds when you're away. Unlock even more peace of mind, activate your 6-month free trial of Ring Protect Pro subscription and have Astro proactively patrol. Investigate activity. Save videos in Ring's cloud storage for up to 60 days. And more. Alexa Together subscription, coming soon, remotely care for aging loved ones. Giving you peace of mind while helping them live independently. Set up reminders. Manage shopping lists. Receive activity alerts. And more. Put Alexa in motion, Astro can follow you with entertainment or find you to deliver calls, messages, timers, alarms, or reminders. Designed to protect your privacy, turn off mics, cameras, and motion with one press of a button and use the Astro app to set out-of-bounds zones to let Astro know where it's not allowed to go. Customize with compatible products. Astro comes with a detachable cup holder and can carry other items, sold separately, like a Ziploc container. The Omron blood pressure monitor. And a Furbo dog camera that tosses treats to your pet. The product link is in the description below the video. Goodbye.